All right, guys, so this is the follow-up video for the Yamaha Warrior. Everybody's been asking about it. Did I get it done? Did we get it done? Yeah, daughter was riding it. Went out quite a few times, and she kind of sadly lost interest after all that work. But she turned out beautiful. She's a good quad, and this is kind of a farewell video because she's going to her new owner here in just a little bit. They're going to come pick it up. And I mean, she runs beautiful. I mean, there's just no issues, man. Warriors are awesome. So let me go ahead and start her up. I mean, just one button, just barely bump it, and she fires. So yeah, that was kind of the closing video. You guys saw all the other videos, all the work we did, and I just never made a follow-up, and I'm sorry about that, but we were out riding and, you know, doing our thing, and I just didn't really think to make a follow-up. But again, she turned out amazing. So just put some elbow grease if you guys find a project, and do it right and make sure that the thing is perfect, and you'll end up with a project like this. So I'll catch you later.